Hey, I'm Drew. And birds are extremely scary. Did you know that crows are like extremely smart? Like the smartest out of all the birds. They're like raccoons or dolphins, except they're birds. Look at what they can do. Crazy, right? But the birds I'm most scared of are seagulls. Sure, it's fun to chase them at the beach, but they decided to chill on our school campus. They did this at my old school too. It's frightening. At lunch, they like flock in huge, giant, scary, giant flocks and like attack you. Yeah, they pretend like they're just trying to get food, but in reality, it's just a way for them to get their sick kicks. And literally, the other day, 5 birds in a row flew directly over me. Like, they came right at me. And I was doing the zigzag evasive action thing, but they were obviously coming for me. So scary. Stupid birds.